What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Fibonacci sequence in Python. For those who don't know what a Fibonacci sequence is, it's pretty much like a recursion function where it uses a previous value to make a new value. So for example, like if we had 0 and 1, and then the next sequence would be a 1 as well, because 1 plus 0 is just 1. And then we would have 1 plus 1, which is 2. And then it would continue and continue from previous values to new values from previous values to you guys get the idea. So we first want to make a function. You guys know the basic EF. I usually like to say like definition, but it's def. Continue on, we can call this Fibonacci. Then we want a n parameter, set A and B. I don't like this AI thing that's doing this because it's just pretty much giving me answers, which I don't even need because I already know how to make this. Okay, and then we would need a for loop I in range. If I can type, okay, n because we're using the parameter n right here. So then this is where the actual Fibonacci sequence will perform. So then we'll have a b equals b a plus b, where the sequence will occur right here. As I said earlier on what a Fibonacci sequence is, it's using the concept right here, where a and b, and then b, and then a plus b, and then it continues on. Now, before we call it, or if we were to call it, we wouldn't see it because we don't have it printed yet. So for it to show up, we need to print it, obviously. We would have a, oh shoot, not capital A, my bad, a, and then end equals empty string, which this pretty much just makes a new line. It's the same concept as as this right here. So now we can call the Fibonacci sequence because we can see the result as we printed it right here. Okay, let's get this started. Fibonacci. I'm sorry, guys. I am so tired. I cannot type for some reason. So let's see. Let's start with like simple values like 4. So it's gonna go all the way up to 4. Let's see what we get, guys. And what, bam, right here we have it. As I said, it goes from 0 and then 1 and then 1 and then 2. And then we can go even further by, let's say we put it to 67. Oh shoot, what the heck is wrong with my keyboard? 67. Bam, it just goes all the way down like this. It kind of reminds me of like binary, or I guess hashing a password or something, because of how many numbers there are. But yeah, that's pretty much on how you can make a Fibonacci sequence. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.